Let's go.
How many new bunker pollards did you get?
They're only temporary. So they're not getting sent to depots on a temporary basis. So they've got the new fleeters contract which requires 10 buses. So they've already been ground. Yeah, so they lost all the ground and then they took it back up on the ground.
So the ground's up for sale?
Oh, I don't think anyone wanted it, that's the problem. Yeah, no one's. Volgren company that predominantly all their work is contracted work, you lose year by year. Yeah. The only thing you'd buy off them would be the DE10 wheelchair buses. But even that, that's, yeah.
See, National Express didn't last long.
Nah. But it'll be interesting to see. Cranberry Transit up again. Apparently they want 6 Cranberry Transit has it. People that are dead on driving now walk across Cranberry Transit. The manager of dead on it. A word that's not allowed to be said on tours.
Oh, because this is the Ventura bus station.
Yes, no, but people will be offended.
Oh, is it Stephen?
Worse. And like that would be called him a nightmare. He is an absolute wild piece of shit. He terminated the cab driver of 15 years, the first and final. They were driving in a 50k zone like this, right? Big gap between him and the car in front. The car pulled out of the side street in front of the car in front, so they locked the brakes on. So what do you do with a bus? You have to lock the brakes. Yeah. Passenger at the back fell forward and broke their nose on the passenger seat. Yeah. And they were driving dangerously and erratically, and as a professional driver. Yeah, that's what they reviewed as usually is. And if, as a professional driver, you should be able to read the situation better, and you know that the pocket is a busy traffic area, so you should adjust your driving style. Just because it's a 50k zone, you don't need to be low. That there, that's an interesting one. It was a female, and she apparently tried to reach through the steering wheel, and as she turned, and they reached through the steering wheel, and then the Scania steering forced back on her, and her arm was sort of stuck between the indicator and the wheel, and the steering was correcting itself and pinned her arm, and she had a flipping fell out, and that's how it ended up going straight and on her.
Which bus was